Kikubor ka Batai TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka Jingpynneh nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka Jingpynneh ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Ka Ladykin College haka khat artarik unailar arjar arfulai kala pelong ya ka Youth Rally ban rakhi ya ka International Youth Day halor kapang Green Skills for Youth. Haswa kani Jingpynneh rally la pelong ya ka program ka balengkot haka balayo Jingpynneh na Dr. K Makdo coordinator jong ka Ladykin College haka bau la Batai Bniah kumno ban penek pensa ya ka Mariang da ka ba penon kam ya ki mar ki bem penjot ya ka Mariang. Ula ong ru ba ka jela jongi kalong ka wei na kiba kiau ba ha ki jaka jengok kai nrei hatu kilong na em kiba penek ya ka Mariang. Lapan kado ba ka Jingpynneh rally kalong ru kum ka Jingpynneh kan mau yang ni bangi don la ka kamram ban yo ya ka Mariang ka ba bat ka ba khoi. Hagani ka Jingpynneh lang la sam khusnam ru sha ki khna ki ba job ya ka letter writing competition kabala penlong da ka student cell jong ka college hakaba kila hab ban tho bat pha show menteri rangba u Konrad ke sangma ban Batai u syapang ki Jingpynneh ki ba kum ki Samla ki shem bat ba kumno on nang la ban penpha ya ka lawe ka jongki.
Theme for this year's International Youth Day is Green Skills. By green skills, we mean those skills that will help reduce pollution, that will help to conserve natural resources, and the skills of the youth in particular that will help to heal this sick planet. So I hope this theme for this year is very apt, very appropriate and timely. You should wake up to this call that you should learn these green skills that will enable you to conserve natural resources, to avoid unnecessary pollution of our environment, our air or water and other important parts of our environment. In a sustainable world, human needs would be met without chronic harm to the environment and without sacrificing the ability of future generations to meet their needs. It means that if this world is sustainable, then whatever we do, it should not have a chronic harm to the environment. It says a chronic harm because whatever we do in our life, whatever we do for achieving development, we cannot do without harming the environment. But when we harm the environment, it should be to that extent where the environment it can regenerate itself. Sustainability improves the quality of our lives, protects our ecosystem, and preserves natural resources for future generations. Green skills are knowledge, abilities, values, and attitudes. As has been mentioned by the host, a successful transition towards a greener world will depend on the development of green skills in the population. While green skills are relevant for people of all ages, it is relevant to you, it is relevant to me, it is relevant to our vice principal, to principal, every one of us. Green skills have heightened importance for younger people who can contribute to the green transition for a longer period of time. Green skills can fuel new green jobs and give us the chance to meet the urgent climate challenge. I know every one of you know what are the challenges that we face. Now, according to the Green General Skill Index of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization,
It identifies 4 groups of work tasks that are especially important for green occupations in industries. So industries, they require these 4 green skills. Number 1, engineering and technical skills. Number 2, science skills. Number 3, operational management skills. And number 4, monitoring skills. Let us imagine that this Lympung college is an industry. Now in this college, we require buildings. We require engineers to plan our buildings which are eco-friendly. We need to have renewable energy resources. We need to harness the solar energy. We need to plan our building lighting system in the campus so that we use minimum electricity.
See you there. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Today is the day for you all to celebrate the youth, okay? The power within and the power of strength and the power of unity.
Kashnong nadu karyam kabe labyang lun na dong shadong hey kong tay 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 di tang ma phi mar wai hey kong tay hey kong tay hey kong tay hey kong tay